Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. I'm Ikra, the founder of Cards and Crafts PD, and today I again came up with my BTS journal. And about today's video, I am going to make a layout or a spread out of Park Jimin. So in my previous video, you have seen I have done the layouts of Jungkook and Kim Taehyung. So we're going to do the 95 lines from now on. So these are my previous layout. It is all about Jungkook, and my second layout is about Taehyung, Kim Taehyung, Tata. And in today's video we are gonna start it from here, and in this video we are going to use, like as usual, some pictures of Jimin's and some cutouts that I have stored in this packet. And we're going to use, actually I am going to use these new pens of mine, dollar pointer and a micron pen which is 03, and I have a fine calligraphy pen for the beginners, which I'm not going to use it today, but I want to show you, and my regular gel pen and white pen. And I'm going to use my glue stick, my scale, my A3 half cut cutting mats. Yeah, I cut it for some reason. And I will need a scissor, and also I will need my washi tapes, my regular washi tapes which I always use. Actually I bought them for my BTS journal only. So these are the washi tapes which actually matched with every aspects of BTS members. So yeah, this is it. So let's head into the video, and before a further ado, I want to request is please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.
I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. The good took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your dusk and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky, and you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town of my dark and the place of my grief.
You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. I wanted to forget about you. It's true, oh it's true. But I found myself tracing your footsteps. Oh I cannot help it. You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. Every little thing makes me think of you and want you every night. Oh, is this normal? to forget about you. It's true, oh it's true. But I found myself tracing your footsteps. Oh I cannot help it. Existence far away, you are your voices, your colors in the air. I wait for your voice to hum with. No one can understand. I was a loser, so blind of desires. I don't know what I wanna do. I don't know how I gonna do. Losing faith, losing mind, lost the path. So easy to feel, so easy to see. Break broken, it's just a daily meal for me. Till I know you, I didn't know what to do. I was messed up. Oh, I was losing hope. Like you wanted to give up, but there is something pulled me back. I can't cry, just wanna scream. Sweets are my only friends. Oh, it tastes bitter. My hands are tired, and I lost my hope. Till I see you, I didn't
you.